Welcome to our video comparing the Blue Yeti USB microphone and the TECURS USB microphone. If you're in the market for a new USB microphone, this video is for you. Don't forget to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Both microphones have a built-in sound chipset and high sampling rates, but the TECURS microphone's 192 kHz, 24-bit sampling rate and wide frequency response gives it a slight edge over the Blue Yeti. Both microphones have a pop filter protection, but the TECURS microphone's double-layer acoustic filter and windproof foam cover provide better protection against bursting noises, making it suitable for professional recordings. The Blue Yeti has a tri-capsule array that can capture almost any situation, but the TECURS microphone comes with a tripod stand that provides better stability and adjustability. Both microphones have durable designs, but the Blue Yeti comes as certified refurbished, while the TECURS microphone is new. Both microphones are plug-and-play compatible with Mac and Windows computers, but the TECURS microphone doesn't support Xbox. While the Blue Yeti is priced at $0 as a certified refurbished product, the TECURS USB microphone is priced at $49, making it a more affordable option. That's a wrap. We hope this comparison helped you make a decision. Don't forget to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews.